Good morning. It's the first day of school or the first week of school, depending on where you go. And Acorn has decided to buy some new toys to go in our playrooms. So I thought maybe I'd unbox a few of them so that you guys can see what kinds of stuff might be in our playroom that's new. All right, so first, look at that. And then we have this little family. And this little family. And this little family. Lots of families. I got really excited. Hispanic, African American, Asian, and oh look, this one's just one that you get to pick a lot of things for. So we have our big family car, and we have a brand new helicopter. Oh wow, and here's another family. This one has a baby. And the mama is pregnant. Who doesn't love pregnant mommies? Oh, and here is another, this is a race car that we have to put together. And here is, oh, and this person is in a wheelchair. So, there's all kinds of really cool stuff coming up soon. And if you're at the office, you know, you can absolutely walk into our playrooms and see all of our wonderful Playmobil, Melissa and Doug, and Schlake toy sets. I am a big fan of all those brands. They are the best brands of toys. Anyway, talk to you soon and hope that your day is fantastic. You know, be safe out there and have a terrific Monday morning at school. Bye.